Welcome to Redline Review. The ultimate driving retreat is the 2026 BMW Motorhome. BMW's first luxury motorhome concept for 2026 combines performance, comfort, sustainability, and digital innovation. The 2026 BMW Motorhome will be the ultimate driving machine on the road. Exterior style, featuring a digital panel with active lights, full-length OLED taillights, laser LED headlights, 22-inch forged alloy wheels, dynamic air suspension, integrated solar roof, detachable side wings, and streamlined aerodynamic shape with carbon fiber reinforced panels, the 2026 BMW Motorhome exudes sophistication. This performance and presence-focused motorhome is more than just a motorhome. Electric drivetrain with dual-motor X-Drive all-wheel drive, 550 horsepower, and 160 kilowatt-hour solid-state battery. Range 420 miles, 675 kilometers, 5.5 seconds to 60 miles per hour, 350 kilowatts DC quick charging, 10 to 80% in 25 minutes. The electric motorhome shares a chassis with BMW's premium Charge 7 and iX-M70 and boasts long-range touring power, agility, and whisper-quiet performance. Living and interiors. The BMW Motorhome feels like a sumptuous loft on wheels, inspired by the 7 Series and iX. Residence area, minimalist German design with wood, glass, and metal accents. Modular high-end kitchen with induction cooktop and digital oven. Touch-controlled smart refrigerator. Fold-away dining table with extendable seating. Curved 8K BMW panoramic theater screen with rear window deployable cinema. Bowers & Wilkins diamond surround sound system. An espresso bar with custom bean grinder. A king-size bed with a ventilated memory foam mattress. A built-in closet with automated lighting, and a smart glass skylight decorate the bedroom. A full walk-in rainfall shower with anti-fog glass, heated stone floors, towel warmers, and an eco-flush water-saving toilet system are in the bathroom. Driver experience. BMW has not sacrificed driving experience with a high-end RV. The iDrive 9 infotainment system offers voice and gesture control, an augmented reality head-up display, automatic highway cruising with manual override, facial recognition startup and seat memory, adjustable air suspension, and rear-wheel steering for a responsive and pleasant ride. Intelligent technology and off-grid features, solar battery management system, AI-powered travel planner with charging station, self-leveling suspension, cloud-based connectivity, 5G hotspot, voice-activated smart assistant for appliances, lights, and climate control. Intended for whom, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is for luxury lifestyle seekers, adventurous professionals, and progressive tourists who demand the highest performance, technology, and quality when traveling. Final remarks. The 2026 BMW Motorhome elevates mobile life to intelligent elegance. Its powerful electric engine, cutting-edge technology, and exquisite interior design make it a mobile luxury resort.